Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name: red color, blue color, black color, yellow color, green color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color, O and E, 1, 2, 3, W-O-2. Kids now draw 3, T, 8, R, W, 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4, F, O-U are 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5, F, I, V, E, 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first draw a square. The shape of square, and use black color. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart, and use black color. Kids last draw star. The shape of star, and again use black color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shapes square, circle, triangle, heart and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.